Adapt Chin Mudra or Jnana Mudra. Keep your eyes closed and keep them closed for some time. During this time, observe the body, the physical body sitting on the floor. Experience the body's steadiness. Now develop the awareness on your breathing, natural breathing. Begin to watch your natural, normal breathing for a few rounds. Now gradually bring your attention on eyebrow center. Concentrate in between your two eyebrows. And visualize this center just like a candle flame. While looking on this flame, chant the mantra Om together. Breathe in. Yogena chittasya padena vacham malam sharirasya cha vaidhyakenam yobha karotam pravaram muninam padanjalim pranjaliranadosmi. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Slowly move your fingers and bring your palms each together. Rub your palms. Calming on your eyes. Slowly with a few blinks, open your eyes and look inside your palms. Now slowly, gently stand up for Surya Namaskara. Practice 6-round dynamic and 6-round slowly. So we practicing in 4 different stages. First 3 round we doing with the count. The next 3 round with the Bija Mantra. Another 3 round with the Ujjayi Pranayama. And last 3 round we practice with the Mantra awareness. Feet together. Samasthiti. Exhale. Contract your abdomen. Keep your abdomen still. Inhale. Expand your chest. Exhale. Join your palms and Namaste in front of your chest. Keep your eyes closed. And in front of the closed eyes, visualize the beautiful sun. Bring the picture in front of your closed eyes, a rising sun behind the mountains. And the Surya Namaskara we dedicate to the sun. Through this practice, we will receive the vital energy from the atmosphere. I begin with the Surya Namaskara prayer. Om Hiranmayenam Patrenam Satyasya Bihidam Mukham Tattvam Pushannam Pavrunu Satya Dharmaya Drishtaye. Om. Open your eyes. 1, exhale. 2, inhale. 3, exhale. 4, right leg, inhale. 5, exhale. 6, hold the breath. 7, inhale. 8, exhale. 9, inhale. 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Left side, 1, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, left leg, 4 inhale, look up, 5 Parvadasana, 6 hold the breath, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, left leg front, sorry, right leg front, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Now breathe normally for 3 rounds. 1, 2, and 3. Second round, 1 exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6 hold the breath, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale, left leg, 1, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6 hold, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12 exhale. Normal breathing. Now third round, 1 exhale, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6 hold, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12, left 1, 2 inhale, 3 exhale, 4 inhale, 5 exhale, 6, 7 inhale, 8 exhale, 9 inhale, 10 exhale, 11 inhale, 12, relax, breathe normally. The Bija mantra, little fast. 1, Om Ram, Om Hri, Om Hru, Om Pe, Om Hom, Om Taha, Om Ram, Om Hri, Om Hrum, Om Prem, Om Prom, Om Taha, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Prem, Om Prom, Om Taha, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Hrim, Om Prom, Om Taha. Relax, breathe normally. Fifth round, Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Prem, Om Prom, Om Taha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Prem, Om Prom, Om Taha. Plus Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Prem, Om Prom, Om Taha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Prem, Om Prom, Om Taha. Normal breathing. So listen the mantra carefully, and so each posture, a particular mantra, don't make mistake. Sit down. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Prem, Om Prom, Om Taha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Prem, Om Prom, Om Taha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Prem, Om Prom, Om Taha. Om Ram, Om Hrim, Om Hrum, Om Prem, Om Prom, Om Raha. Relax. Now separate your feet little bit. Practice Ujjayi Pranayama. Listen the sound of your breath coming from your throat. So practice with Ujjayi and with the chakra awareness. So I will repeat again the chakra location. You listen carefully. Mooladhara. In Surya Namaskara, we are not practicing a Mooladhara. From Sadishta. Mooladhara and a root of your spinal. Mooladhara, the root, the perineum. And Swadhisthana, coccyx, the tailbone, the last bone of your spinal. Manipura, behind the navel. Anahata, behind the heart. Vishuddhi, behind the throat. Agna, behind the eyebrows under. So practice with Ujjayi and with the chakra awareness. Every time you move your mind from one chakra to another chakra, just repeat the name of the chakra. The name of the chakra itself, the mantra. 1. Exhale, Ujjayi, exhale, Anahat. 2. Inhale, Vishuddhi. Exhale, Swadhisthana. Inhale, Agna. Exhale, Vishuddhi. Kumbhaga, Manipura. Inhale, Swadhisthana. Exhale, Vishuddhi. Inhale, Agna. Exhale, Swadhisthana. Inhale, Vishuddhi. Exhale, Anahat, heart. Exhale, heart. Inhale, Vishuddhi. Exhale, Swadhisthana. Inhale, Agna. Exhale, Vishuddhi. Hold, Kumbhaga, Manipura. Inhale, Swadhisthana. Exhale, Vishuddhi. Inhale, Agna. Exhale, Swadhisthana. Inhale, Vishuddhi. Exhale, Anahat. Relax. Breathe normally. 8th round. 1 exhale, Anahat, heart. Inhale, Vishuddhi, throat. Exhale, Swadhisthana, tailbone. Inhale, Agna, eyebrows under. Exhale, Vishuddhi, throat. Kumbhaga, Manipura, navel. Inhale, Swadhisthana. Exhale, Vishuddhi. Inhale, Agna. Exhale, Swadhisthana. Inhale, Vishuddhi. Exhale, left side, exhale. Inhale. Exhale, Swadhisthana. Inhale, left leg. Exhale, Vishuddhi, Kumbhaga, Manipura. Inhale, Swadhisthana. Exhale, Vishuddhi. Inhale, Agna. Exhale, Swadhisthana. Inhale, Vishuddhi. Exhale, Anahat, and relax. Breathe normally. 9th round. Exhale, Anahat. Inhale, Vishuddhi. Exhale, Swadhisthana. Inhale, Agna. Exhale, Vishuddhi. Kumbhaga, Manipura. Inhale Swadhisthana. Exhale Vishuddhi. Inhale Agna. Exhale Swadhisthana. Inhale Vishuddhi. Exhale Anahat. Exhale. Inhale Vishuddhi. Exhale Swadhisthana. Inhale Agna. Exhale Vishuddhi. Kumbhaga Manipura. Inhale Swadhisthana. Exhale Vishuddhi. Inhale Agna. Exhale Swadhisthana. Inhale Vishuddhi. Exhale Anahat. Relax. Breathe normally. Last 3 rounds practice your own. I'll keep chanting the mantra, Surya Namaskara mantra. 12 mantras for 12 poses. Listen carefully and flow your body with the mantra. When I say Om, you start the practice. And it's the Namaha and the final posture. Give a little stretch in every pose. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Devaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Mitraya Namaha. Om Devaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Relax. 11. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Mitraya Namaha. Om Devaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Vishrandi. 12. Om Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichaye Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskaraya Namaha. Mitraya Namaha. Om Ravaye Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Bhanave Namaha. Om Kaghaya Namaha. Om Pushane Namaha. Om Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Marichai Namaha. Om Adityaya Namaha. Om Savitre Namaha. Om Arkhaya Namaha. Om Bhaskara. Siddhil Tadasana, separate your feet. Maintain your body completely still. Experience body steadiness first. Make Kaya Stadium. Complete stillness. Don't move even your fingertip. Do not blink your eyelids. Make your body complete still. And you experience the subtle movements inside your body. So you experience the movement of your breathing. Is that you're gasping for breath? Is that your heart beating very fast? Make it slow. Breathe with your heartbeat. Inhale, count 4 heartbeat. Exhale, count 4 heartbeat. Listen the heartbeat. Become more and more sensitive. Listen the heartbeat. Inhale, count 4 heartbeat. Exhale, count 4. Your heart beating becomes slower. Your breath becomes more deep. And feel the difference on inhale and exhale. Your exhalation becomes longer. While you exhale, your heart beats slower than inhale. Eventually, your heartbeat slower, and you inhale and exhale become longer. So take double time for exhale. Experience all the subtle feelings and awareness from whole body. After Surya Namaskara, experience the lightness, the body you feel become more lighter. Experience the loosening experience, feel your muscles and joints become looser. You can experience the prana, the vital force, especially on your throat, chest, and your navel. You can experience it's like form of hot heat in your body. You may experience heat on your throat, chest, and your navel. Later on, all the experiences slowly will fade away, will disappear. Then you become aware your physical body. Become aware your outside world slowly. Externalize your mind and begin to move your fingers slowly. A few blinks. Gently open your eyes. Let us discuss about Padmasana. Today we're going to learn and practice on Padmasana. Padma, you all knows the meaning is lotus. It's a lotus pose. It's very advanced practice actually. This Padmasana we use is for higher practice of meditations, bandhas, mudras, and pranayama practices. So Padmasana, very stable and steady. In Padmasana, your spinal very straight from the bottom to top. That means your spinal full straight. So there is a free flow of your prana. When you awaken the Kundalini Shakti from the Mooladhara, it's very without any disturbance, without any block, it's straight, can go reach to the top of your consciousness. So Padmasanas make your body very firm and steady. So the practice we do from the sitting posture, you have to do it every movement very slowly and carefully, because there are very easy chance to getting hurt on your knee and ankle. You have to carefully move each and every posture, and without any force or by any fast movement, should be very slowly. So the soul of the soul should be facing upward completely. So you need a lot of flexibility on your angle. Your angle should be turned and your soul will face, and your heel, the final posture, your heel will touch on the below of your navel. So it will take time gradually. This is the final posture. Your both heel touch on the both side of your navel, and your the soul face up to the ceiling. So, and also the both knees should be touched on the floor completely. So, and this is excellent meditation posture. Your head should be straight, shoulder should be relaxed, and your hand should be in any mudra. You can choose any mudra like Chin Mudra, or Jnana Mudra, or Bhairava Mudra, Bhairavi Mudra. It's an excellent posture for higher yogic practitioners. And this practice we do step by step. There are some preparation postures, like a Janu Shirshasana is very good practice for preparation for Padmasana, Janu Shirshasana, Ardha Padma Paschimottanasana, and Matsyendrasana, and Gomukhasana, and Virasana. There's one more, Baddha Konasana. So these are all the preparatory practice. You have to do regularly of these asanas. They help you to achieve Padmasana more quickly. The contraindication, those who suffer from sciatica, weak injury knees should not perform. So who has very tight knees should first lose your knee joints and ankle with some preparatory practice, and can do the Padmasana. Pregnancy time, not advised to do the practice, because a lot of blood concentrate on the legs. Benefits Padmasana, I told you, it's excellent meditation posture. It's make your body like a pillar, and it's a very strong foundation. When the body becomes steady, the mind become calm. So this is the first step for meditation. First you need to prepare your body completely still and steady. Then you can go further practice like meditation, pranayama, and it will stimulate the Mooladhara chakra. So it's also affect on your nervous system, and your breath becomes slow. So muscular tension will be decreased. So a lot of blood circulation increase on the abdomen and your legs. So let us go for the practice. You prepare Before we did the Ardha Padmasana, Ardha Padma, Paschimottanasana, and Halasana. So repeat that movement again. So first keep your right leg up, right leg, right heel, keep close, as much close to your hip. Right leg keep as no, not straight. Okay. So first you repeat some movement like this, like a baby on your lap. Hold your legs like this. Interlock your finger. And then swing your body right to left, left to right like this, freely, 10 times. It's very good for practice for use your hip also. Now, so you can try some exercise like a Akarna Dhanurasana, touch your ear with your foot. So you're able to touch your ear, just your right leg on right ear, not left. Left is more easy. Right ear. Right. Okay. So your left leg on left ear, left foot on left ear, right foot on right ear. Now practice Ardha Titalyasana like this, fast movement. I touch your knee on the floor. Make a sound, make a flapping sound. Have to lose your ankle. And rotate your hip also like this, 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Reverse, opposite side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Now we try do Halasana and Paschimottanasana, bend forward. You can keep your hand up or you can keep your hand down. Okay. Down is more easy. Up is difficult. Like this. Inhale. Catch your toes. Sit up. Exhale. Again catch your toes. Try to catch your toes in Halasana and try to catch your toes in Paschimottanasana. Repeat 10 times. Inhale, go to Halasana. Exhale, come to Paschimottanasana. So keep your foot in the same place. Do so. 1. Exhale. 2. Inhale. Exhale. 3. Inhale. If possible, keep your hands up. Exhale. 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. 5 more. Exhale. 3 more. Two more. Good. After come again sit up, now you feel more your ankle and your knee more flexible. You can keep your leg more up tight and keep your toes little outside. And your right hand with a swing, try to catch your toes from the back. Possible. Catch. Twist your spinal to the right side. Look back. So your toes need to be slightly outside the thigh. Archana, another side. Your right hand back. Catch your right hand. Catch your right toe with your right hand. Yeah, right toe with your right finger. If you're doing on left hand, left leg, catch your left toe with your left hand and look back. So you must touch your toes with your finger. Good. Then catch your toe with your finger, and also same time your knee should be down on the floor. You use your left hand to press your knee down. So that's it. Keep your left knee should be on the floor. Very good. This is the first step. Those who can do this one, then Padmasana become more easier. Bend forward slightly for 5 breaths. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come back. Inhale. Now you relax your right leg, relax your knee. Let's take your left leg. First, you do like a baby. Hold your left leg like this, like a baby on your lap. That is swing first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Practice Akarna, then Virasana, like that. Touch your left foot on your left ear. Use like a telephone. Feel the chillness of your feet. Come back. Practice Ardha Titalyasana fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2. Try to make hit on the floor. Hit your knee on the floor. Good. Now practice hip rotation of 5 times clockwise. 1. Hold your ankle with your right hand. 3. Hold your foot with your right hand. Reverse opposite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now if you more angle more loose, practice Ardha Padma Halasana and Paschimottanasana. You can keep your hand up, or you can keep your hand down. Inhale, catch your toes on back. Exhale, sit up and exhale, catch your toes in front. 1, inhale. Sit up, exhale. 2, inhale, exhale. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, continue. 5 more. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. 7, 3 more. Inhale, exhale. 8, inhale. Make sure your mat is not doing on the floor. It should do on the mat. Otherwise, your spine will hurt. Don't go outside the mat. The end of the 10, come straight. Now you keep your foot more up above your thigh. You will feel your thigh muscle, upper muscle become a little painful. Because the weight and the pressure come on your thigh, upper thigh, and your toes little bit outside. With the swing of your left hand, hold your toes. So here, naturally, your knee will be up. Your left knee up. What do you do with the help of your right palm? You push your knee down to the floor. Down, and look back. Push down, push down. 1, look back. Just 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4. Come back to center. If you can still can hold, that is straight your shoulder, straight straight front, and bend forward with the Ardha Baddha Paschimottanasana. Keeping both shoulders straight now. Keep your shoulder straight. And touch your knee on the floor, and you prepare some blanket also. If you cannot touch the knee while in Padmasana, you can put the blanket under your knee. So your knee should touch any surface. Yes, knee should touch on the floor. This is so you prepare some blanket or pillow or cushion. Very good. Come back. Now practice Janu Shirshasana. First you do Janu Shirshasana normally. Your heel close to your perineum. We have 3 types of Janu Shirshasana. Janu Shirshasana A, B, and C. This is A. Your heel close to your perineum and your sole touch your inner thigh. Hold your left toe, inhale and exhale. 5 breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back, inhale. Now the B, second one, you have to sit on your heel. So your heel in between your genital and anal on Mooladhara side. And your foot under your thigh. You can see your toes outside. So sitting on your heel, you can see the toes outside. So your buttocks will be little elevated, your buttocks will be up. You're sitting on your heel, you can see your toes outside. Inhale and exhale, and 4, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come back in. The next one, for the rotation on the ankle, so the practice make your ankle flexible. So you have to keep your right hand under your leg and hold your toes like this. And gradually you rotate your ankle and touch your toes on the floor. So your heel will be up, little up. Okay, it should be like this. Touch your toes, your ball of the foot on the floor and here. So what you do, you drag your toes a little bit closer, close to your body. Close to your body. Okay. You can see, you have to, I will show you closely. You hold your toes from here like this and try to make it vertical like this, toes down. And touch your balls, the foot ball, this ball on the floor. Toes will be like this. Yes. Once you maximum put, and you take out a hand from inside and keep your hand on the back of your body, straight your spinal. And gradually, with the help of your hand, push your body forward. Let's make your knee full rotation. Rotate your knee and make your heel become 90 degree. Straight, 90 degree. So this is a practice. Ankle and your knee. Knee also will rotate more inside. The knee joint will rotate. Keep push forward. Maximum 90 degree vertical. Yes. Push forward. Good job. Then you try to catch your toes with your right hand. 4, 3, 2, 1. And come back, relax. Okay, so relax your knee Do some massage on your knee, like a knee patella movement. Yep. Massage clockwise and anti-clockwise. Relax your knee. I repeat another side. Keep your left foot. Keep your left hand inside and hold your toes. Gradually rotate your ankle. Keep your toe on the floor beside your thigh. Try to make it as much straight you can. Come to your maximum and keep your both hand on the back of your body. With the help of your hands, slightly push your body forward and bring your heel as close to your perineum. Bring your heel more up, vertical. When you feel the knee joint rotation inside, once you reach this posture, hold your toe, inhale and exhale. Breathe normally. 1. Touch your knee on the floor. 2. Good try. 3. 4. 5. Good. Come back. We practice in a Gomukhasana. Your right knee above your left knee. Stand on your knee like this. Make your both knees in a straight line. Okay. So for sitting, you can maybe take a block or pillow. Slowly sit on the floor. Sit like this for 1 minute. And keep your left palm above your right. And relax your shoulder. Breathe normally. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your spine straight. Now prepare for Matsyendrasana. Slightly twist your spinal to remove the stiffness from your spinal. Keep your right foot beside your left knee. Keep straight. And support your right hand on the back. Now left hand up. Inhale, left hand up. And twist your spinal. Look back. Four. And 5. Come back. Inhale. Now change your leg on another side. Gomukhasana. First, you come on your knee and make your both knees straight line and gradually sit down. Keep your left palm on your left knee, right palm above your left palm. Relax your shoulder, breathe normally, keep your eyes closed. Now, Matsyendrasana, so place your left foot beside your right knee, left palm support your body, right hand up, inhale, right elbow outside. Okay, good. Come back to Sanda, inhale, and exhale. Slowly sit in a Virasana, both knee. You can separate your knee, separate your feet, and slowly sit on the floor. So that you can foot separate, and you not Vajrasana. You have to sit on the floor. I interlock your finger above your head, straight your spine, stretch your elbows, stretch your shoulder. Keep your eyes closed and breathe 1 minute. This is all the good preparation for Padmasana. Keep interlock your finger and every inhale stretch up. Exhale, little bit relax your elbow. Continue, inhale, stretch. Exhale, relax your elbow. Breathing like this. Five more breath. Every inhale, stretch up. Exhale, little bit relax. Inhale, exhale. Three more. Now relax your hand. Slowly stand on your knee and cross your ankle each other, and gradually sit up in a Sukhasana. Sit down in a Sukhasana. Now you practice with your left leg. Normally the left side is more difficult. You try with the left side slowly. Left leg up. Keep left foot up in the upper thigh. Okay. Now keep your right foot under your left knee. So you come to Ardha Padmasana, half lotus. This is the first step. You comfortable? Yes. And you have to bend forward. Exhale, bend forward. Take some breath. Feel your heel pressing on your abdomen. Keep your heel up. Now keep head up. Keep your hand on the floor. And gradually you take your right foot from under your left knee. Slowly take out. And keep the body forward and gradually, not with the force, not in one stretch. Gradually take your heel on your calf muscle. Slowly calf muscle. Yeah, right. Keep your body bent forward first. So just like you very carefully and slowly take your leg upward, little bit up as much you can. And here the tendency to lift your knee up. So it's okay once you almost close your ankle, like you from the calf muscle, your ankle come to your above your left ankle. Then you feel two angle, the shin bone will touch each other. You feel very painful. From this stage, you keep press your right knee down, right knee down, and slowly straight your spinal. Straight your spinal. So if you still have your knee up, you put some blanket or thick cloth under the knee and keep the knee on the surface. Always keep your knee down. Very good. Keep your hands in Chin Mudra and eyes closed and take some Ujjayi breathing for 5 rounds. Listen the sound from your throat. Make your breath deep and longer. After 5 rounds, slowly open your eyes and gradually, move your foot gently, sliding down, slowly down. And keep your knees straight, one leg, another leg. And do some patella movement, knee patella movement like this. Rotate your knee clockwise 5 times and anti-clockwise. Massage your knee. Repeat the same position another side. Now this side may be more easier. Your right leg, keep your right foot on the top of your thigh. Keep your heel as much close you can, close to your navel. Keep your left foot under your knee, Ardha Padmasana. And when you bend forward, you feel your heel pressing on beside your navel. Back forward. Exhale, take some breath. Breathe normally. Good. Slowly, just raise your head up. Gradually slide your left foot outside. Very carefully, slowly take your foot up on your calf muscle. Gently move up until your ankle cross each other. Ankle will cross each other. And keep press your left knee on the floor. There is a tendency your left knee up. Keep some body weight. Bring some body weight on your left knee. Keep your knee down. Take some breath. And slowly, straight your spine. This is perfect Padmasana. So enjoy the posture. You can keep your hand in Bhairava Mudra or Chin Mudra or Dhyana Mudra. Keep your shoulder or back and open your chest. Feel the beautiful posture. Feel your spinal from the bottom to top in a straight line. Enjoy the Padmasana. Keep your eyes closed and practice Ujjayi Pranayama. Imagine you breathe in through your throat, not through your nose. Imagine there is a hole in the center of your throat and you're taking breath through that hole. And the sound of your breath become more audible, more louder and louder. Practice 5 rounds of Ujjayi. Good. And Padmasana, you can also try when you do the Sarvangasana. Always when you do Sarvangasana, try Padmasana. When your legs up, it will be more easier to perform Padmasana. And now you can slowly lay down Shavasana. Lay down your back. Relax your knees. Relax your ankle. Now we did all the practice mainly for your knees, ankles, and the hip joint. They must have a lot of experience on your ankles, knees, and the hip joint. Relax. Relax your toes, ankles, shin bones, calf muscles, knees, thighs, hip joint. Relax your buttocks muscles. Relax your lower back, middle back, upper back, shoulder blades. Relax your fingers, palms, wrists, forearms, elbows, upper arms, shoulder. Relax your abdomen, relax your chest, relax your collarbone, throat, chin, lips, cheek muscles, ears, nose, eyes, eyebrows, eyebrow center, forehead, right side of the head, left side of the head, back of the head, top of the head, the whole body, whole body, the whole body. For more relaxation for entire body, chant 3 Omkara long and loudly. Breathe in deeply. Enjoy the beautiful relaxation, whole body. And slowly externalize your mind. Become aware of the outside world. Begin to move your fingers, toes. Move your head from side to side. Gently move your body. Turn your body to the right side. When you're ready, you sit down in comfortable meditative posture with your palms in Namaste. Let us conclude with the Shanti mantra. ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ओम तत्सत्. Thank you very much for this cooperation. Thank you very much today joining me. We see you tomorrow. Tomorrow we will practice all the asanas together in order. After that, tomorrow is a Saturday, so it's the last day. And we will do some demonstration. You can perform the asanas. Yeah. So we'll see your performance tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
So when is the question and answer session?
Sorry.
When is the Q&A session? Question and answer.
Which session? Yeah, tomorrow.
Question and answer. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
ठीक है, मैं भाई करना ट्राई करता हूँ.
Thank you.
Bye. Namaste. Tomorrow's last.